This is the Rockville RPM109 V2, a 12-channel wood cabinet powered mixer with effects, Bluetooth, and 1200 watts of power. The Rockville RPM109 version 2 is not just any mixer. It's one of the best sounding powered mixers on the market, competing with the most premium brands in terms of sound quality and power. But before I say anything else, let's check out a demo we have set up.
What's up guys, so here I am with the RPM109 V2 all set up and ready to go. I got 4 speakers in my setup today because each speaker output is 4 ohms, which gives me the ability to use 2 8-ohm speakers per left and right output. I got my mic plugged into channel 1 here, so check 1, 2. You can hear my voice nice and clearly through each speaker. And what's also really cool is that there's a bunch of features on each channel. So you got a 3-band EQ, you got a monitor send, a pan knob, and you also have the effects knob, which you can use with the built-in effects on the mixer. So if I raise this knob on my channel here, check 1, 2, you'll be able to hear the first effect, which is a hall reverb. Makes you sound like you're in a gigantic hall. Hello! So this is just one of the many effects available. So if I skip forward a little bit to a signal delay, check. You'll be able to hear my voice bouncing between each speaker, which is awesome. There's also some modulation effects like a chorus here. Hello, hello, hello. Very trippy. And my personal favorite effect on the mixer is the pitch shift, where you can use the parameter knob to shift your voice into a higher register like this, or you can go in the opposite direction and go low like this. There's also plenty of ways to play music through the mixer, like Bluetooth, so we can pair any smartphone or tablet. So let's go ahead and hear how it sounds playing some music. Yeah. Sounds awesome. It sounds great. Now the last thing I want to point out, which is really cool, is the PC interface output. So we can connect the mixer to a laptop or computer so we can record anything coming into the mixer onto a DAW on our computer. So for that, you're just going to need a USB-A to USB-B cable, plug the USB-B end into the mixer, and then plug the other end into your laptop or computer. From there, you can switch the input to 1 and 2 so that it's taking the stereo signal from the mixer and recording it onto your DAW. So right now, we're going to record a sample with the microphone plugged into the mixer so we can hear how it sounds. So right now I'm talking into the microphone I have plugged into channel 1, and as you can see, it's being recorded on my DAW at the same time. And because I have my speakers plugged in, I'm still able to hear everything coming through the mixer. On top of that, you can adjust the built-in features and have that recorded into the track as well. So for example, if I raise the effect up on my voice, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, that's going to show up in the recording as well. So this is a really great feature, especially if you want to record the audio from a live show or rehearsal and be able to hear it back later on.
As you saw from that demo, the RPM109 version 2 is an absolute beast. The power amplifier built into this mixer is incredible, producing 450 watts RMS per channel at 8 ohms and 600 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms. And as you saw in the demo, since each output channel is 4 ohm stable, you can run 1 or 2 8 ohm passive PA speakers off of each channel for a total of 4 speakers off of this mixer amplifier. The Rockville RPM109 V2 is also rugged and tough. It is enclosed in a high-quality wooden enclosure that can take a real beating. This model has 12 channels, making it versatile enough for most parties and gigs, and each channel has an adjustable 3-band high, mid, and low EQ, along with a dual 7-band master EQ for precise tuning no matter what your setup is. But that's not all. We added some amazing features to make this mixer even more convenient and user-friendly. We added built-in Bluetooth, USB, and SD players, giving you a lot of playback options. You can stream music from your phone, tablet, or laptop, or play your favorite tracks from a USB flash drive or SD card. You can also use the USB interface to record your performance into a DAW or play back your tracks from your computer. We also upgraded our FX module from 16 analog effects to 24 digital effects that are way better and more useful. You can choose from reverb, chorus, plate, delay, cathedral, and various other multi-effects to add some spice to your sound. You can also use the 1/4" FX send input-output on the front with a Y cable to connect external effects pedals or processors. You can also use the mute button here to mute channels 1 through 10, where it will mute all of those channels except the aux or MP3 channel. This is very useful to mute the live instruments and microphones, but leave music playing in between sets at a concert or gig. The RPM109 V2 also has dual RCA outputs, 1/4" main outputs, and a monitor output if you want to send everything coming through this mixer to another system, powered speakers, or to monitors on the stage. And the dual speak-on jacks for speaker outputs on the back make it easy to connect to your passive PA speakers. The Rockville RPM109 V2 is the ultimate mixer for your live sound needs. Whether you're a performer, a DJ, a band, throwing a karaoke party, using it in a coffee house, house of worship, or using it to record with your computer, you will love the sound and features of this mixer. So if you're looking for a 12-channel wood cabinet powered mixer with effects, Bluetooth, and 1200 watts of power, look no further than the RPM109 V2 from Rockville.